So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can add duplicate app on iPhone. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on latest iOS 17.4. So in this video I will show you how you can add duplicate app on your iPhone home screen. So let's start video without wasting any time. And firstly, as you can see, there are many apps right now in that iPhone home screen. So you can see appears on screen here are showing YouTube, White Studio, CapCut, and TikTok. These are apps that right now showing on iPhone home screen. If you want to add duplicate that app on your iPhone, just swipe. Okay, you can see a person screen showing here all apps right now that I already mentioned. So select the app that you want to add in duplicate. Okay, press and hold and you can see a person screen. Just paste here. You can see a person screen right now. There are two white studio, same as the TikTok. Okay, you can see a person screen, TikTok, press and hold and now paste here. Okay, now you can see a person screen. Here are showing two TikTok, two YT studios. Okay, same if you want to add the CapCut, but make sure that is not the duplicate app, just simple the shortcut. And if you want to remove that, just press and hold and you can see a person screen, edit home, remove app. Okay, select the other one. Okay, you can see a person screen showing here, remove app, just remove the app. Okay, you can see remove from home screen, delete app. Okay, you just select the remove from home screen. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how you can add duplicate app on iPhone home screen. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.